Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to convert names to initials. In this Excel sheet, we have first name and last name. We'll see how we can take the initials of these first name and last name. We'll take K from the first name, B from the last name. Press enter and select the cell and press Ctrl E, we'll get the result. We can also give a space and say enter, we'll get the result like this. We can specify a comma and space enter, we get exactly the same pattern. We can also exchange last name initial and first name initial at the end. We can see the result here. We can mention few characters from first name, few characters from last name and say enter, we'll get the exact result here like this. This is how we can get the initials from different columns. Thank you so much for watching this video.